so today we're going to be making some slime. So like I said in my intro, we're going to be making some slime. And I just put some glue in there already. And you're going to be needing a bowl, something to stir with, Tide, you can use any kind of laundry detergent. And it will turn out like this. And you can use food coloring, I'm using paint, you can use any kind of whatever you want. I'm using white because I want white slime. So I know that you guys are like thinking it's already white, but I'm going to do this a different way. So first just take your Tide and put it in there. So put a little bit in at a time, I just put that much in. So now I'm just going to be mixing. And it's better to use a fork, but I don't have